our industry is evolving. Some ferry operators are taking the next steps toward ferries that arrive silently, connect in seconds, charge automatically, and hold steady without wasting energy. A future that's already possible, and we're building it. In Denmark's pioneering EU-funded e-ferry project, Ellen, the world's first all-electric ferry, an automatic charging connection was required. We won the project, invented, designed, and built the first Nectar. It has been operating daily since 2019 in demanding ferry service. Today, Nectar has grown into a full family of automatic charging connectors, from 200 to 300 kilowatts for smaller vessels to over 15 megawatts for large ferries. Deployments prove their capability in marine environments and tough operations, but charging is only one part of the equation. Too many ferries still waste energy by pushing against the quay during loading and unloading. You want to be able to switch off propulsion and automatically hold the vessel safely in berth. And now you can. 3Mar invented, designed, and built Magmoor, an automatic mooring system based on permanent magnet technology designed to secure the vessel while absorbing movements softly. The first units are operating in Warnemünde, Germany, handling more than 50,000 berthings per year, delivering approximately 30% fuel cost savings. At 3Mar, we invent, design, and build to future-proof our industry for marine environments and tough operations. Let's talk about eliminating fuel waste in your operations. Most operators are positively surprised to see how compatible their existing quay infrastructure already is.